Hello and welcome to today's market update. In the coriander market, prices in Gujarat have remained stable over the past few days. As of September 25th, we have seen no major changes in pricing, with the market holding steady for the third consecutive day. Gondal Mandi reported the arrival of about 7,000 bags, but buyers are maintaining a cautious stance, limiting purchases for now. As the end of the month nears, no significant uptick in purchases is expected immediately. However, demand may rise during the upcoming Navratri festival. In addition, a possible resumption of coriander exports could provide further support to the market in the coming weeks. Yesterday's overall coriander arrivals across Gujarat were recorded at approximately 11,650 bags. Prices are staying within a stable range of 1,330 rupees to 1,500 rupees per 20 kg. In Gondal Mandi specifically, 6,730 bags were traded with prices ranging from 1,371 rupees to 1,561 rupees per 20 kg. Other key mandis such as Rajkot saw 650 bags, with prices from 1,200 rupees to 1,451 rupees per 20 kg. Moving on to the NCDEX futures market, as of 14:20 hours yesterday, the October coriander contract was trading at 7,360 rupees per quintal, up by 62 rupees. Meanwhile, the November contract saw an increase of 70 rupees, trading at 7,560 rupees per quintal. The October contract settled at 7,350 rupees, marking a rise of 52 rupees over the previous close, while the November contract closed at 7,556 rupees, a rise of 66 rupees. Currently, the spread between the October and November contracts stands at 206 rupees per quintal. As of September 25, 2024, the total coriander stock in NCDEX accredited warehouses was reported at 13,868 metric tons. Switching to the cumin market, we are witnessing a strong bullish trend. Prices in Gujarat have risen by 100 rupees to 1,150 rupees per 20 kilograms, with yesterday's trading session seeing another increase of 50 rupees to 70 rupees per 20 kg. This surge is primarily driven by robust export demand from Gulf countries. Despite the monsoon season nearing its end, some rainfall is still expected in the coming days. Once the weather clears, we anticipate a rise in buying activity from exporters. In Unja Mandi, a significant arrival of 16,000 bags was recorded yesterday. Prices for rough cumin ranged between 4,750 rupees and 4,850 rupees per 20 kilograms, while the highest quality cumin was trading between 4,950 rupees and 5,100 rupees per 20 kilogram. Bombay Bold cumin fetched even higher prices, ranging from 5,200 rupees to 5,400 rupees per 20 kilogram. Gondal Mandi reported the arrival of 1,626 bags, with prices ranging from 4,851 rupees to 5,001 rupees per 20 kg. In Rajkot Mandi, about 1,200 bags were traded, with prices ranging between 4,575 rupees and 5,030 rupees per 20 kg. On the NCDEX futures front, as of 1400 hours yesterday, the October cumin contract was trading at 27,120 rupees, up by 310 rupees. The November contract also rose, reaching 26,730 rupees, while the December contract surged by 945 rupees to settle at 27,715 rupees per quintal. The October contract ultimately closed at 27,075 rupees, reflecting a rise of 265 rupees, while the November contract closed at 26,670 rupees, up by 240 rupees. The spread between the October and December contracts currently stands at 670 rupees per quintal. As of yesterday, September 25, 2024, the stock of cumin in NCDEX accredited warehouses was reported at 729 metric tons. That concludes today's update on coriander and cumin markets. Stay tuned for more insights and updates. Thank you for watching.